In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from OneDrive. If you want to clean up your cloud storage, remove old documents, or get rid of folders you no longer need, OneDrive makes the process very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open OneDrive and go to the My Files section. This is the main area where your saved files and folders are displayed. Once you're there, take a moment to look through your items and locate the file or folder you want to remove. It helps to move carefully here so you select the correct item, especially if you have several files with similar names. When you find the file or folder you want to delete, hover your cursor over it. As you do that, you should see a small circle appear on the left side of the file or folder name. Click that circle to select the item. This step is important because it tells OneDrive exactly which file or folder you want to take action on. If the item is selected correctly, you'll usually see a visual change that confirms it has been chosen. After selecting the file or folder, look for the delete option and click on it. This will remove the selected item from your OneDrive files. In most cases, deleted files don't disappear permanently right away, which can be helpful if you remove something by mistake. Still, it's always a good idea to double check before clicking delete, especially if the file is important or shared with others. That's really all there is to it. Go to My Files, select the file or folder by clicking the circle on the left, and then click delete. It's a quick process, but taking an extra second to confirm your selection can save you time later. If you're doing a bit of digital cleanup, this is a simple way to keep your OneDrive organized and easier to manage. Removing files you no longer need can also make it easier to find the ones that still matter. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently delete files from OneDrive.